This is PremiChart, one app that shows you what a stock is doing, what the crowd around it is doing, and what that has looked like before. Give me 4 minutes and you'll know your way around the whole thing.
Everything starts on the watch list. These are the stocks you're keeping an eye on. Each row shows the price, today's move, and the yield if it pays one. Adding one is 2 taps. Hit the plus, type the name or the ticker, and tap the match. Done. It's on your list, and the app is now tracking it for you. When you want the full story on any of them, just tap the row.
And this is where the app comes alive, the chart. Time frames run along the bottom. 1 month, 6 months, a year, 5 years. Same stock, very different story depending on how far back you stand. Now the indicator row. 50 and 200 are the moving averages everyone on Wall Street watches. Heat recolours the candles themselves. Green means accumulation. Orange says caution. Red is a confirmed sell level. You're reading the bars, not squinting at a separate panel. And OBOS marks the extremes, a green B where selling exhausted itself, a red S where buying got ahead of the price.
Now, the one people download this app for, Herd. Herd measures what the crowd is actually doing. Chasing highs, panic selling lows, piling in on volume, and scores it from deep fear to full greed. The purple band is the range the app draws from here, based on how this stock behaved in similar conditions before. Use it as a gauge, not a crystal ball. It tells you what the crowd is doing right now, and at the extremes, the crowd is usually wrong.
The Analysis tab takes the same maths and puts it in plain numbers. The estimated future price gives you a figure and a range, so you can read it without reading a chart. And below that, the news, filtered to this symbol and summarized. When a stock moves and you don't know why, this is where you look first.
Last tab, the portfolio, and this is what turns PremiChart from a watch list into an account. Add a position, the symbol, your shares, what you paid. From that moment, it tracks real money, cost basis, market value, profit and loss, and the dividends rolling in. Portfolio analysis reads the whole book at once, where you're concentrated, what's carrying you, what's dragging, and portfolio adjustments points at the positions that need a decision. And that's the whole app. Watch it, chart it, read the crowd, track what you own. Start with one stock you actually care about. Add it to the watch list, turn on Herd, and see what it tells you. PremiChart is free on the App Store. The link is below.